How to use Instagram Take a Break feature. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set a reminder in Instagram to take a breaks. So first you're gonna do, you need to open up Instagram application, then select your profile and then click on these three lines icon. Here we need option your activity and then we tap on time spent, and here I can set a reminder to take breaks. Tap on it and here I got some options. Now reminder is off, but I can select 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. How it works? Will remind you to take a break when you spend this amount of time at once on Instagram. So let's select 10 minutes, tap done, and let's check this out. I will just scroll down the Instagram, and after 10 minutes I've got this message. Instagram allows me to take a break. And also there are some funny advices like take a few deep breaths, write down what you are thinking, listen to your favorite songs, or do something on your to-do list. And I just tap done, and now I can use Instagram again. So now you know how to use Instagram Take a Break feature. It's quite simple and easy. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.